know, so we heard the call of all clear to cease fire. Clearly still danger. Troops are on alert, so they attend to the wounded. The troops ranging through that pillbox area, back by the trench. They're looking for documents, survivors, prisoners, anything to give them some help on the next attack. So naturally, when we do a reenactment like this, it's very compressed. You can imagine this happening over a much wider ranging battlefield, even though they were inside the Bocage country. But we do this to maximize what you could see. And I think the guys did a great job. Thank you, much well deserved for the men and women of the Long Island Living History Association and the Museum of American Armor. Some of the wounded still hobbling out. There are medics out there right smack in the middle of the field. Really non-combatants, didn't carry weapons, and really had the most, one of the most value on the battlefield. Did their work right amid fire, getting little regard for themselves, but just to help out their buddies. Here comes our Hellcat. M18 Hellcat. Look at that bumper code, 643PD, the 643rd Tank Destroyer Battalion. Wonderful job, guys. Cohesive crew. Here comes one of our two M8s. On that guy. You all very often see M8s and M20s in that configuration, though no fenders. Fenders didn't have any armor, they were just sheet metal. And after years or months anyway of combat, a lot of times they would lose those skirts or those fenders either deliberately or accidentally. You remember these are 18, 19-year-old kids driving. I don't know if you dads have any moms have 18, 19-year-old kids driving your cars. They're probably just a few parts too. Mr. Jim Michaud in the M20, driven by Nick Cash's reconnaissance vehicle. Thank you, Jim. Another great show. And that's Nicky loves that siren. I don't know where he gets that from. Here come our living historians coming along the rope line. Again, we're going to ask you just to hold back for another minute or two. I know we have a lot of treasure hunters here who are out there looking for brass, which is all well and good, but we want to do that when we are safe, when you are safe. So when I give the go, you can start treasure hunting. We are going to ask you, we're just firing out some of our guns there, clearing the gas. Nice job, Scott. Good job, Lindsay. All those explosions that you just saw out there are from this gentleman right here, the same Bazooka Man.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks.
So I know we have shell hunters ready to go out there. We're going to ask you, you guys are looking for brass. Like I said, that's all well and good, great souvenir. If you find, though, an end block, those are the stripper clips that those cartridges were held in. Those get ejected from that same Garand rifle. We would ask you, if you come across any of those, to turn them back in, either myself or our living historians here. They have a little bit more value, a little bit more monetary value. They're not so cool for you, but they are valuable to our living historians. All right, so can you give me a countdown from 10? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Let me get beat for victory!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Stacy, don't get run over. Hurry, step it up. 3, 2, 1, go get them. Watch the field, though. We do have some chuck holes out there. Well, it's like the gold rush.